Hello, sports fans. Welcome to RV'ing with Luck. I'm Ralph Luck, and today we're going to go a little further down Route 66 to Mike's Route 66 Outpost and Saloon. It's just a few miles down the road, but let's get going. Alrighty, just about 10 miles down 66 now. Pulled over at the Dollar General that popped up out of the middle of nowhere. This place is like a legit grocery store. I guess it's in an area called Concho. But that roadway up ahead is Route 66, the one going left to right. And there's a place called Big Bellied Nelly's that does delivery and is supposed to have outstanding pizza. So time for lunch. So apparently this is Valle Vista Golf Community. But let's go check out. They're supposed to have good chicken wings, coyote wings or coyote legs, and we'll see. We should be the only ones in here. All right, just a little dining area. A lot of delivery.
Route 66.
That's the cook back there. Make my wings. All righty, I got the 8-piece coyote legs. Pretty good size. They were baked, which is impressive. Got some blue cheese dressing with it, my own soda. They don't do delivery anymore, but let's give this a try. And we're here at another Harvest Host, which is Route 66 Outpost and Saloon, about 15 miles northeast of Kingman, Arizona. There is the washroom. There's full hookups there to that. There's my RV. And now we're looking west where we're going to see that beautiful sunset later. Don't mind the dumpsters, but I do love being able to dump my trash. Again, here's where we're going to be seeing the sunset. All right. There goes the train. Lucky I'm a sound sleeper. So last night was a fun night. Spent a couple hours, watched the D-backs win. Woo! Game 2 of the World Series. They killed them, crushed them. Texas Rangers. So it's 1-1 in the series. Next game is in a day. By the time you're seeing this, it'll have already happened. Anyway, thanks for coming along. And stay tuned. The next video should be going further down Route 66 and hitting quite a few places and checking them out. So thanks again for watching. If you haven't already subscribed, we'd love to have you on board as a subscriber. If you enjoyed this video, please smash that thumbs up button. It's free to do so. And from Ninja and I, be positive, be nice, be active.